All right, let's see here. 4.5 hours, 350. Good to go. Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a roast. It's gonna be low and slow for hours. It's gonna take the whole day. Gonna take a long recipe here for Scamps Toffee.
Don't forget the class party today. You promised to help me make something.
Yeah, absolutely, honey. All right. All right, guys, improv. We're not gonna be making a roast. We're gonna be doing a quick,
We gotta leave in 10 minutes.
Brownies. We're doing brownies. Stay tuned. All right. I know you've all been in this situation. Your kid tells you something last minute that you needed to know 2 weeks ago, and you have 10 minutes to be the cool mom. We'll figure it out. So, you know what? I actually have a lot of kids in his class who are gluten-free. So what I had in the pantry, fortunately, was some regular brownies that are just pre-wrapped and then some gluten-free ones that I picked up at the store. I don't know why I had these or where they came from, but I found them in the pantry, and so that's all I know. I had raspberries and I had some walnuts. So, we're gonna try to make it work. Welcome to Scamps Toffee's kitchen. 10-minute recipes are back. Let's do it. What you're gonna wanna do is get everything open. If you have the fortune of having some pre-made brownies from the grocery store like I did, you are a lucky woman, and that's who I was. So you're gonna unwrap everything, you're gonna put it on the plate. Now I'd like to pretend like this was some artistic adventure for me, but really one of the brownies actually just broke as I was opening it. So if you're that mom, then just go with it, break them all. Kids don't care. Now let's just hop into some garnish. Now this is obviously less for the kids and more for the parents and teachers who are judging you. So we're gonna save face and make it pretty. All right, I'm just thinking we make some gorgeous bundle of berries right in the center. What do you guys think? I can't hear you, but I'm imagining that's a collective yes. Let's do it. All right, so once you have as many raspberries in the center as you'd like, I'd come through with your toffee sauce. I've warmed this for 16 seconds so that it drizzles. Where do we want to do this? Let's do it around the edge of the raspberries, right? Now let's just do it over the whole thing. Here we go. Yeah, that's beautiful. See, Scamps Toffee, it really goes to show that Scamps Toffee sauce truly can make even a plate of broken brownies look sexy. This is proof of that. Walnuts. Regular walnuts from the store. I had these in the pantry. I use these for cooking all the time. You can find these in Scamps Toffee. I mean, I use these for all types of things. So I just had some in the pantry, and I think what I'll do with them is probably just crumble them just around the edges. Let's do that. See, this is the fun about having 10 minutes to create a dessert for your kids' class. You can just kind of wing it, which is bittersweet. But here we go. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Yeah. So what we've done in less than 10 minutes is we've created a dessert that will not only impress the teachers and parents, but will also have the kids running to dig their little hands into it. All right, that's a wrap. See you next time.